In this video I am in Islamabad at Trail 5, and in the end I will be showing you most of the images I have taken here of the birds that resides here for the awareness purpose.
Hi guys, welcome to World and Wild. I'm with my camera. I'm here right now in Trail 5, one of my favorite place in Islamabad. Came here for some birds and I just saw a sign over here that there's a leopard here as well. But it's pretty hard to find actually. I cannot say that we will be encountering it, but I wish actually that I can capture it on my camera. But I came here for some birds. I've been here quite a couple of times, and this time with my new camera I can see it. Let's experience some photography. So walking in the middle of Trail 5. This is the most coldest region of this trail. Like, the winds are pretty cold. The birds here, it's hard to photograph because it's a dense forest and you need a good lighting. I found pretty much of like white eyes, sorry, not yellow-eyed, white eyes, red-billed lathrix, so many bulbuls, creep eyes. As we are going inside the trail, I hope I can find the blackbird. Let's see. So Trail 5, as you go, like after 1.5 kilometers, the trail starts to become dense and it starts getting elevated. So many birds on the left and right side, but the thing is, the lighting condition and all that stuff, it's hard to, you have to like get a camo or a tent and sit here and see. This is the perfect place where the blackbird is seen. Currently I have not witnessed it yet, but I am hoping that I may find it. So far so good. I'm in the middle of the trail, within the trees, and the ambience over here is just fantastic. Birds somehow, due to the lightning conditions, are there, but not very, I cannot see them very clearly. I just saw the Himalayan bulbuls and black bulbul. There are some other small songbirds as well, but you can hear them. But see, I am not able to find them that easily. But thing is, after so long, it's so awesome to be here in this trail again, and it's very peaceful, very nice, very quiet, and feels like you are in the nature. And you can see at my back, actually this is a place where once water flow during the, you can say, monsoon, and this place. And the thing is, I'm hoping for some lifers, but the thing is, the adventure part is alone itself very much interesting to be here, like looking for them to get a good shot. Bubblers are here, the seven brothers, the common jungle babbler. They are here and they are, blowing the dry leaves, and it makes a feeling like somebody's walking in the trail behind you, and that's creepy as well. And I shot some babblers, I'll show you. Trail 5 is pretty long. First it's a smooth trail, and later on it gets the ridge trail, where there's some sharp rocks, and the elevation is there. It gives you a tough time, and covering the whole trail depends upon your pace. But the thing is that it goes in some village in the Margalla Hills. So you need a good amount of patience while you're putting in the trails. First thing, the birds will be hiding in the trees. Second thing, there will be so many people passing by, and they will create a little bit of noise. So maybe some will come with music, which I don't recommend. But there are some people who they are very nice and they respect the forest and the nature and its wildlife. But there are some people who make so much noise. And in this video, I will say that they should not do that. They should get the teachings of visiting the trails so the wildlife can remain in their comfort place. And also the people who are doing bird watching and photography, they can also save time. So this journey and my trail, short journey in my trail, was pretty much nice. But the thing is, from the past, I was not able to get as much bird as I used to get. The reason for that is there was a pretty much movement on the trails of the people with noise actually, making so much laughters and gossip and all that. Anyhow, this is how it is. And I saw some monkeys, but I was not able to make some photos of that. Going back, I guess 1 kilometer is left. It is said that in this trail, sometime leopard also visit in the early mornings when the sun is not there. Basically, the leopard is nocturnal, so you will not find it easily. And the second part is that it's scared of the human population. So respect the animals, I would say, and don't make the trails dirty. So this is the Trail 5. Now we have just completed it and going back. I just completed the trails. It was a nice experience again. I was not able to make any video footage, but pretty much of the photos, which I will share. And now I'm going to different places in Margalla and maybe Galiats, northern areas. So I'm planning to make a combined vlog of this, or maybe a single vlog of this trail.